Let us discuss a linked list of students. First, let us declare a class to define a student. Class student with data string name, string admission number, it will be public data, then constructor, a parameterless constructor, this dot admission number, this dot admission number. Okay, then a constructor with parameters, then a public function display student class. Next, let us create a class for nodes of linked list. Okay, the name is node student student then a variable link, a reference variable link which can refer an object of the same class. Let us put constructor node inner constructor which will do equal to null. This dot link equal to null. Then a parameter constructor which will receive a student object This will do stud is equal to yes. Let us make this data public. This also public. Then what about the link? Link is equal to null. Okay, let us try this. Is return type we have not mentioned. Void save. It is here. Okay, it works fine. Then let us create a class linked list. Class linked list is data or type node or head which always point. It will be a public data. Which will be null always. Then let us put a constructor. Linked list a null constructor which will make head equal to null, head equal to null. Okay, no problem. Let us change the file name. Public. It will be returning a type head. Okay, so head is type a node. So it will be returning a node, public node, add add last. Okay, which will be receiving a node, new node, So it will receive a new node. If this is the first node in the list, so let us this function will add the new node as the last node. And the last node in the linked list. If no linked list is there, in that case head it will be null. If head equal to null, that is no nodes in linked list. That is no nodes in linked list. If head equal to null, then it has to do head equal to new node and return head. Otherwise else it has to find the last node else find last node and add at the end of your list. Okay, so how can it find the last node? So let declare a pointer ptr and this ptr is equal to get the visual ptr now points to the first node of the linked list. Then while this ptr dot link this link not equal to null, remember the link field of last node will be null. It is not equal to null, ptr is equal to ptr dot link. So advance the ptr to the next node. So when you are here out of this for loop, ptr points the last node ptr point the last node. Then what you have to do, ptr dot link is equal to the new node. This is the only thing you have to do, add a new node or the last node. So first you have to find the last node, then change the link of the last node. It should point to the new node. Then let us write a function public print linked list. Okay. Print the linked list. It will be receiving head of the linked list. Oh, no need to receive head is here. Okay. There is a chance that there is no linked list. If head equal to null, no linked list exist. Okay, public void. Okay. No linked list exists. Else, that is a linked list is there. Then what it has to do? The same ptr is equal to head Okay, let us declare a variable ptr. Then while ptr not equal to null, okay, let us, we have to go up to the last node, okay. So before this we have to make ptr is equal to head. ptr is equal to head. Link here also. Okay, ptr is equal to head. Okay, we got the first node. We have to do ptr dot display. Okay, let us try this. ptr dot stud dot display. Display function is inside the student data, student object. So ptr dot stud dot display. After a bunch the pointer ptr to the next node. Ptr equal to ptr.link. Okay, semicolon. Okay, here we have to close. Missing a return statement. Return head. So if there is no linked list, our node will be the first node. So it should return something. Okay, even after adding the last node, it should return head. Okay. Let us save this. It is okay now. Main class. Inside this, I am creating an instance of linked list. Linked list. ELL. Linked list is equal to new linked list. Next I am creating a student object. Student bb45. Okay, then I am calling ll dot add last. To this I am passing this s1. Then I am doing ll dot print linked list to this. Okay, there is no argument. Print linked list. Okay, this is my program. Let us try this. Okay, it should be saved as my linked list.java. So save as my linked list dot java. Okay, let us try this. One semicolon, no linked list. Okay, let us correct it. Okay, here we are missing a semicolon. Save. Try it again. Incompatible tooling cannot be converted to node. Okay, so it is not S1, it is our new node. Let us save and compile. New. Okay, new node S1. Okay, let us save this and try it again. Okay, let us try to run this. Here we are not getting this data printed. Okay, the issue is ptr is equal to head, that is we have only one node now, and inside the loop it is checking ptr.link. Okay, see here the ptr.link field is null. The condition gets wrong. Okay, because this is null, we are checking it is not equal to null. So the while loop exit. Okay, that is the problem. So it is not printing the data when there is only one node in the linked list. Let us try a solution. Else if node link equal to null, in this case if head equal to null, that is only one node. In that case head dot stud dot display. Else is a logical error. This is not a permanent solution. We will see later. Okay, it again, compile. Home display. Okay, correct it. Okay, let us run it. Java my level.class. Okay, sum address number bb45. Let us create one more student. Save a.java. Here this one my English A, the class name. Okay, let us create one more student. Let us try this. Not printed the first one. Okay, let us check our program. So this should be void. Okay, that is the issue. Void. This should be void. It should not return head. It should update head. Head equal to new node. Okay, that's all. Here also, instead of returning head, update the head equal to new node. Oh, node is not added. Okay, that was also. Okay. Let us try this again. Oh, head equal to no node should not made. Okay. Let us correct this. The second data it is not printing. Okay, so what is the error? See here, first node, then second node. So first node it is printing. It will be printed. After that, see this condition, no linked list exists. It will not happen because a linked list is there. Head of link equal to null. No, it is not null, so more than one node there. Then ptr is equal to head. Then ptr dot link not equal to null. Then ptr dot should dot display. So the first data of first node will be printed. Then after that ptr equal to ptr dot link. So it will be pointing to the next node. It will check the link field of next node. We have only two nodes, so the next node link the link field. The link field of next node it is null. Okay, so second data is not printing. So what we have to do is instead of ptr dot link use ptr not equal to null. Okay, let us try this. Okay, now it is okay. Sum BB45, John BB46. Let us add one more student, BB47, then is 3. So created a student S3 with name David or admission number BB47, new node, new node S3, then LL dot add last new node. Okay, we got all the node. Here the variable head is not equal to null because there exists a linked list. Here ptr also point to the first node in the linked list. Okay, for printing the data, we can print the data if ptr not equal to null. If you advance this ptr by ptr equal to ptr dot link, ptr will be pointing to the next node. Finally, the ptr will advance and it will point to a node with the link field equal to null. When ptr points to the last node, ptr will not be null. After doing ptr is equal to ptr dot link, ptr will become null, and that time that loop will exist. No need to check whether the linked list has only one node or more than one node. That while loop with the condition ptr not equal to null is enough to print all the data. Let us remove this if block, which will be checking is there only one node in the linked list. Okay, and this while loop is enough to handle that condition, a linked list with single node. Okay, let us remove this block. Okay, save it. Okay, it is printing all the data.